Hi there, welcome to GridMate Learning Channel. Once we've completed the last part of the Config Wizard demo, we'll delve deeper into exploring the default value and hidden fields features. So let's begin with default values. Go to the Config Wizard by clicking on the gear icon. Click on the Default Values tab. Select the fields for which you want to set default values. Set the value that you want. Set record ID as account ID. Copy the config. Edit the Lightning page in the App Builder. Scroll down until you see the default values. Paste the config. Hit Save. Click Back. Let's try to create an opportunity. As you can see, we only have fields for which default values have been set. Move on now to hidden fields. Go back to the Config Wizard. Next, click the hidden fields. Select the field that you want to hide. Copy the config. Edit the Lightning page in the App Builder. Scroll down until you see hidden fields. Paste the config. Click Save. Click Back. Now we see only two fields because we hide the account name. Edit the Lightning page in the App Builder. Scroll down. Check full record creation. This feature allows you to see all the fields when creating new opportunities. Of course, you will also see the fields that have default values. Thank you for watching.